Hiya everyone, hope you're keeping well. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. I've got no makeup on, so don't laugh. Like absolutely nothing at all. I've kept my skin completely bare because I'm going to do some diving in the boxes, and if I come across something I like I might want to put it on, and I couldn't put it on if I already had makeup on. So Sunday morning, Jordan's upstairs, Martin's asleep, well he's in bed, and I've got the sitting room to myself, so I thought I'll come on and do some of these because I don't really get many options to do them now. Don't want to get chances because I'm working full time through the week and I'm just not getting a chance to do the videos. So every chance that I get I'm going to grab. And I've been trying to time it all because I don't want to do too many boxings for you because I know you come for the makeup, but then I don't want to let people who've sent products down, so because I want to say hi to them and I've show you what I've got kind of thing. So I'm like, trying to do as much as I can in one go. So I think what I'll do is I'll do the unboxing today. This girl does not want to be mentioned. She doesn't want her name mentioned, but she's lovely and I know her on Facebook, so you'll know who you are when I unbox it. But it's a little post box here, and so she sent this about a week ago, and this is how behind I am. So I've got to get on top of these because there's so many people sending some lovely things. And last week, I think it was last week, the last video I did, I've got a PO box, and it's not until the 28th, so I've got a few more days to wait and then I can put it live for you. I'm really excited about that because so many people are asking if I've got a PO box and I haven't been able to give you one, so hopefully we'll sort that out. I'm going to open this up now. Trying not to put any details on. He's got addresses on. I don't want you seeing that. Oh wow, right, look, we've got some lovely things here. Okay, I'm trying to, I don't want them to fall on the floor. There's a box I've got coming from America as well. I don't know if I told you, but it's coming from America, and it's a girl who watched my videos off years ago and she'd heard I liked a certain product, and so she's got them and just going to send them to us. It's in the post, I've got the tracking and everything, and she sent something for Martin and Jordan as well, so I cannot wait to see what they are, and I've told them they're excited, so hopefully Jordan will come on camera and say thank you, so you might get to meet him. I hope you do. But ooh, right, so we've got a little Kiko Milano travel bag. Oh, put all the bits and pieces in. I like that. That's really handy because I don't have anything like that. And what we got here, I think this looks right. So what we got, I don't know what this, Jennifer Lopez Inglow. Now I've seen an Inglow store at the Metro Centre, but I've never ever been in. I do love colour and I'm very aware that I think they've got a lot of colour. So, oh right, okay, brilliant. A gel eyeliner from Jennifer Lopez Inglow. I can't, it's all sealed. Plus we've got a black gel liner, which is brilliant because I think the only one I've got is, there might be one in the boxes just recently, but I think the other one was a MAC one and it just keep drying out on us, so I love them. Therefore when you've got time and you want to put it on properly with a makeup brush, so speaking of which, a makeup brush, so a little Morphe, oh lovely, look at that. And it's one of them angled ones as well, which I like, so I can, oh it's going to just slide on, get in. I love, love, love. And then I can put it in my little travel bag. I pop that in there. Never had a Morphe brush before. What we got now? Oh, Makeup Academy Shimmer Highlight Powder. This looks beautiful. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Very nice. I think I can hear some footballers. I'll put that on properly when I've got some makeup on because it's not going to show up very well when I've got nothing underneath. You've got to have a base, haven't you? So I'm excited about that. Ooh, now this looks gorgeous. So Max Factor Colour Elixir Lip Liner in Pink Princess. Haven't used Max Factor stuff for ages, but and I might not get to. Okay. Where's it stuck? It's really stuck. I don't want to put it, oh there we go. I don't want to, oh wow, that is lush. Look at that. It's proper pinky winky. And I've got to be honest, I love pink lip liners. I've got a couple now, but that is super creamy. That's just going to glide on. In fact, I could probably wear that as a lipstick and I won't need to worry about putting a lipstick on. So I'll put that in the travel bag. I'm going to keep all this together. And then a few of us have asked for a lucky dip out of the boxes, and I'm going to do that. I'm going to put them in, I'll just put them in a big tub and just go diving and get on with it. And if it, you see, the thing is, there's a load of colours in there that I like, so hopefully someone said to chuck in some horrible eyeshadows, because the person that said that was really cruel, because they like it when I have to have a challenge and there's an awful makeup eyeshadow there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put together the box, and then I'm going to chuck in some hideous looking eyeshadows for you to cheer you up. So if I come across it and I'm stuck with it, I have to use it, because I know you like the lucky dip videos, so I'm looking forward to doing that. Now this here, I don't know what that is. I'm wondering, is it some sort of nail? Oh, it might be, it's a nail. And like a nail file. Is it a nail file? Don't laugh. Tell us what it is. I think it's a nail pedicure type of tool. I think. It's very nice. I don't do my nails enough, and I should, because I've got to get some nail varnish. Oh, what's this? Soul Cal. I've never... Is that... I've got clothes from Soul Cal, I think that's it. So, oh, look at that. Oh. Right, okay, I'm excited now. Loose glitter. It's like a pigment. And it's a pigment of all pigments. Look at the cap where it's fell into it. I'm going to say this again, and I know you will be laughing with us now, because when I edit this back up, well, I don't edit, but when I look at this back at the light, is it alright for you? Can you see? Because I can't see what's happening. But that is just stunning, and I cannot wait. Hang on, hope that doesn't fall on the floor. I'm going to pull a bit out of the cap, put it on the back of my hand for you. It's going to need a background, like a primer, to stick really well, because it's not sticking. Oh, actually that might be good as a blush. What's it meant to be? It doesn't say, but it's nice and pink, so that's going to be a great pigment for the eyes and the cheeks, I think. So if you're in a hurry, yeah, absolutely. So you could put that on your cheeks as well. We've got, oh, another Max Factor English Rose. This is beautiful. Lovely pink. Again, it's the one in the middle. Got lots of pink here. I like pink. I do. It's a very refreshing colour on me. You know, sometimes we've got specific looks, like specific colours. And oh, we've got another nail file. So I bet you that was a nail product. So you've got a cuticle, a push-out and nail file. A little push-out nail file. Again, this is ideal because I just don't have any. When I moved house, I lost a load of products. Don't know where they went, I really don't, but, and I love things like this super hydrating face mask, because I am a girly and I just never get into these things. I never try them, so I'm over the moon with all the bits and pieces for skincare to get into. So I'm looking forward to wearing that face mask. I might even put it on camera because they look really frightening. Stick that there. Now we've got Max Factor. Now what's this? Where are we? Cappuccino Nudes. Let's open this up. Another smoky palette. I love smoky eye looks. I've been doing a lot of smoky eye looks lately, so I'm looking forward to having a play with that. And I love that one there. It's like a proper gold. Look at that. And then that one. That's proper pigmented, that. I'm going to have fun with that. No, I'm just dropping them all over the floor. Put that there. And then I've got one more thing to show you. Now, I've never heard of Profusion Cosmetics Mixed Metals. Oh, this is going to be fun. I can just tell what we've got. It's an eyeshadow palette. Right, okay. Oh, wow. This is brilliant. This looks gorgeous. Look at that. I've never ever come across Profusion Cosmetics before, but they look fun. There's some, there's some gorgeous colourful glittery ones, and then there's a few light matte ones that I can do behind, like a base colour. And I'm going to try and get into cut crease a lot more. Now, I never did because it looked a bit heavy for me, but since I've been doing it, I think, well, whatever. You've got to, I feel like every day I don't wear makeup now is a waste, because I'm getting back into it and I love it. I get so excited, you know, when I see colours. I think, oh, I'll put that with that and that with that and that and that. And before I know it, like, the day's gone and I haven't done anything, but I've got like a handful of swatches or something. So I'm over the moon with these. Thank you so much. You know who you are. I can't mention your name. I wish I could, but you're getting a shout out anyway. You know how you are. Thank you very much for these little bits and pieces. I can't wait to play about with my eyeliners, my highlighters and my lipsticks and stuff. And I'm going to stick that on tonight as well, because my skin needs a little bit of help. I've been playing with all the cream products that people send, and I'm really loving it. So thank you very much for all of your little bits and bobs that you're sending. In fact, they're not little bits and bobs, they're absolutely massive. You really are a massive help, and it's just great because I've got lots of things to be getting on with. I just hope that I do you proud. I hope I do you proud for all the stuff that you are sending. I'm going to have to do another boxing now because I'm not going to get the chance to do it. Hopefully I'm back at work tomorrow till Friday. It's Sunday now. I hope I get the chance, but oh, well, we'll have to see. But I'm going to do another one next, so you might get 2 videos today to catch up on, because I really don't want to leave it any longer, because I feel like it's really rude and you have sent us so many lovely things. So I'm going to get another one done for you, and then we'll leave it there, and then hopefully I'll do a makeup look. I'm going lucky dip it though, okay? So I hope you enjoy, and I shall see you all in a bit. Zoom zoom.